Welcome to Picture Healer channel. Today we want to talk about lucky plants or plants you can grow around the house to bring you good luck and good fortune. And I like to start with classical plants that's famous in Chinese culture. The first four are the four gentlemen. That's the plum, orchid, bamboo, and the chrysanthemum. You probably see those four plants together in traditional Chinese paintings a lot. If you study Chinese ink painting about the flowers, those four are the plants you will definitely learn to paint. The reason it's called four gentlemen because the plants have the quality of a real gentleman. They look pure and they can thrive in very difficult environment. So that's the plum blossom, any type of orchid, bamboo, and the chrysanthemum. Oftentimes you can see the traditional Chinese painting of those flowers and pairing with classical poetry. So those are also related to scholar and intelligence. The next very popular plant is the peony. In the ancient China, the royal family liked to collect peony flowers and showcase them, so they represent higher class and prosperity. Because they have those big and beautiful flowers, so it's very common to find paintings of peony flowers. And people like to display the paintings in the living room, especially the red one. Anything that's colorful and bright has a symbol of prosperity and beauty. So if you plant peony flowers around your house, it has a similar association of high ranking and high class. The next one is very common one, the orange tree or the tangerine trees. Chinese people like to see that bright orange and the round shaped fruit because it's cheerful and it looks very abundant. So that's also a very lucky plant you usually see a lot during the Chinese New Year. The next type of plant is the gourd and the squash, including the hulu, the Chinese gourd that's very auspicious in Feng Shui. They grow quickly and easily, so when you see a lot of gourds or squashes in the backyard, it brings abundance and prosperity. The next similar plant is the pomegranate. You can also see the pomegranate plant in a lot of Chinese ink paintings because the pomegranate has a lot of seeds. So in the Chinese culture, people believe that it will bring you a lot of children or offspring. So it's also a very lucky plant. And because of the color of deep red, it's associated with good luck. The next group of plants include the pine, juniper, and any type of evergreens. These evergreen trees can survive harsh winter, so they also represent strength and power. The next few plants are related to their fragrance. That includes jasmine, gardenia, and the Magnolia Alba. That's a very fragrant white flower, very common in the South Asia. Another very fragrant and very popular flower in the Southeast Asia is called the sweet olive tree or Osmanthus. It has a lot of little flowers that can be dried up and be used as tea. The fragrant flowers are typically very lucky in Feng Shui. The next one is the Camellia. They tend to have very big and bright flowers early in the spring or during the winter time. So that's a very special flower, and many of them are evergreen trees. So that's also one of the favorites in Chinese culture. The next lucky flower is Lotus, and a very similar one is the Waterlily. Both of them are related to purity and associated with the Buddhist religion. So those two plants are very auspicious. The next lucky plant is the peach tree. especially the peach blossom, because in Feng Shui, the peach blossom is related to romance or romance luck. So if you have a lot of beautiful peach blossoms in your house, it brings good romance luck. The next plant is lucky bamboo. It's similar to regular bamboo. It has that symbol of growing taller and taller, just like your career keep going up to the next level. But it's also very different from the regular bamboo because you can keep them easily in the water, indoors. So that's one of more modern version of the lucky plants. And bamboo is also related to intelligence and the good luck for students. The last plant on my list is a jade plant, or many people call it money plant, because it has that thick, green, shiny leaves. They kind of look like coins. Because they are succulent, they can grow easily indoors. Many people like to tie a red ribbon, so it brings more young energy if you want to keep plants indoors. Because plants are considered more in energy, so we want to have some balance. So that's my 20 lucky plants to bring you good energy and good feng shui. I'm sure there are a lot of other plants you can grow that can bring you good luck. The most important is you have to like the plant. Every time you see the plant, it makes you feel better and you enjoy taking care of them. Then that's a good plant to have. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it and see you next time.